Welcome to my new class. You can speak English very fluently with confidence. Today in this class I would like to discuss with you the importance of pronunciation. The term pronunciation always bothers us. We know that all we are afraid of using new terms or words in a crowd or in a society because we fear that whether the word pronounced by me is correct or not. That create many problems to us. Actually, we don't have to bother about the pronunciation. We are trying to improve our fluency, then pronunciation doesn't matter. Our bad pronunciation of certain words are the result of the bad system of education. Suppose you go back to school 15 years or 20 years, there were not even a single teacher for teaching English for us, because at that time the subject teachers such as social science teachers or science teachers, biology teachers who taught us English, we are the product of such teachers. That was the system of education existed in Kerala. And regarding this pronunciation, one and the same word is differently pronounced in different parts of the country also. Suppose we come to India, in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, one and the same word is differently pronounced. The intonation and the tone of the word is also quite different. Some people try to follow the UK pronunciation and some others try to follow the American pronunciation, which is correct. Some people do not recognize the American pronunciation. Some other people do not recognize the pronunciation given by the UK. Now what I telling you is that we have to be some more flexible for using new words. We try to pronounce it as we know, but later we have to find out the real pronunciation of the words. Because I use many words, I mispronounced many words, I know that very well. Because very recently one of my friend called me and informed me that your pronunciation of the term poem is wrong. The right pronunciation is poem. Because I have not heard the term poem in my school days. Then after that I rectified the term poem to poem. So entrepreneur to entrepreneur, such words to be pronounced by using the new technology. Now the Google and now the technology like Google dictionary is available over internet. There is no problem or difficulty to find out the apt pronunciation of certain words. Why don't we have to use it? We have to rectify our pronunciation and we have to be able to say anything. The right pronunciation is the second matter. But while we are improving our fluency, pronunciation doesn't matter even though, but we have to reach, as long as we are trying to improve our fluency in English, we don't bother about the pronunciation because it is differently pronounced in different parts of the country also. So we don't have to bother about it. That later we have to use the modern technique. The earlier I told you that the technique of Google dictionary, that dictionary tell us what is the apt pronunciation. We will get apt pronunciation from the Google itself. What I am trying to tell you that we have to improve our fluency by saying anything in the midst of a crowd without having any fear. After that we have to rectify the correct pronunciation by using the new technique and devices such as Google dictionary also. So try it.